Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Today it's a special day here in the Netherlands. It's the 3rd September of the month. That means it's the openings day of the Dutch Parliament, Prince Day, or the Budget Day they call. It's today, Tuesday, September the 21st, 2021. Yes. Budget Day, Prince Day, opening day of the Dutch Parliament. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra Sudokus, a lot of extra Sudokus today. I believe 9, and 5 of them I will solve today. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3, 4, 2, 3. 3, 4, 2, 3. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and for 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Well. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the last row, so no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9. 4 and the 6. We see here the 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1. The 2 is missing. 3. The 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. Here 6. No 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in the last row. The other pair should be the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Another pair in this big square. Here we have a 2 and a 4, 3 and a 7. So these 2 boxes should be the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in 3rd row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So one box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4, there 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, we see there 4, so no 4s in those two boxes. So one box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see here 6, we see there 6, so no 6s in those two boxes. One box left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Alright. Then. How about the number? 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So one box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright. Alright. Let me see. How about the number? The number. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Let me try another number. 3, yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, it could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 there. So, and I've early marked those 2 boxes with a 3. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. Oh, no. I missed a 1, 3. Yes. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 3. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 6, number 7. Yes. Let me see 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Well, let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. How about 1 number left in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 and the 2 I can see missing. Let me mark those. How about this box in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing and a 2 is missing. We see a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Also the 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2 again. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Oh, what a sneeze. Blow my mind. Blow my nose. Blow my nose. Well. Alright, now we have 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square 1. The 2 is missing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow. I've told you 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. A playlist for the medium Sudokus, heavy, the light I have, quintuplet, and I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, a playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the killer, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday, budget day, openings day of the Dutch Parliament, or Princess Day. Yes. Yeah. The rest of the Sudokus or puzzles, in additional, I will solve these later on. Yes. So we will meet again. Bye bye for now.